It doesn't matter if you are a boy or a girl or what's your age, but you guys need to understand that you need to set certain standards for yourself. You are literally hanging out with anyone, communicating with any person, exchanging your energies. Like, do you guys understand how powerful we humans are? Do you guys understand that you have the ability to transform your whole life? To make something so beautiful and so precious for your parents, for your loved ones, to leave a legacy, to make a healthy, a wealthy, or like a really precious life for your own self. But you are so busy getting the validation. You are so busy flaunting that, you know what, you have a big circle. But you know what, in my eyes, it doesn't matter to me how many friends do you have. It doesn't matter to me how big social circle group you have. But if you have no standards, if you're communicating with each and every person who is approaching you, then for me, I don't think of you as a high value person. Because if you are a high value person, you understand the significance of your time. You understand the significance of living this life, of having this opportunity. Talking to you should literally be an experience for people. If right now, imagine if the big brands, the Chanel, if Dior, if all of these were accessible to everyone, would they have that brand name that they have right now? No. You have to be accessible only to those who you feel like, yeah, this person is actually giving me something. Maybe not in terms of materialistic things, but maybe they're giving me that knowledge, they're giving me that happiness. People are literally draining your energies. You are wasting your time doing the small talk. Like, what are you doing with your own self? You are engaging with people who all they have to do is show what kind of victim mindset they have always experienced. Why are you doing that to your own self? In the end, all you have is this one life. You just have one life, and you're gonna waste it like this? Let me tell you, I have had like a really big group of friends, group of people who will look at it and be like, oh my god, that's so amazing, even I want a group like that. These guys are having so much fun. But you know what, how much toxic it was? And I'm just clarifying, it's not in each and every case that this happens, but I've seen that people these days, they fake so much. At that time, I needed a group of people to engage myself, to make myself busy, because I was attending school and I wanted to experience it all. And for that, at that time, at that situation, that thing worked for me. But right now, I have a career to build for my own self. Right now, I have to become the best version, because if I want a nice partner, if I want a happy family, I have to be the epitome. In order to attract something good, I have to be something good. You guys are so busy getting that attention, that minute attention which has no value. And you know what, people who run after attention, I'm just gonna say one thing to you: all sorts of people in this world are getting attention. All sorts of people. You know, as a girl or even as a boy, it is so easy to get attention by doing all those cheap tricks of getting into that ugly puddle, or doing all those shitty things. Do you really want, if you just want attention, then this video, then this channel is not for you. When you are on a growth journey, when you have decided upon this fact that I want to transform your life, you are gonna be invisible for a very long time. When I was building my own self, I was so ashamed of coming in front, because I didn't knew what I was doing. And even right now, when I have this YouTube channel, majority of the people, like my family members, my friends, they don't know this. There are a very selective amount of people who know about this channel. Why? Because at that time, you know what, when people around you, I've seen that, you know what, unknown people are your greatest supporters. I get such amazing comments. People be like, oh my god, you made my day, this and that. I have been receiving emails. I don't even have like a huge amount of subscribers, but there are people who are actually loving me. But in case of family, when I was having this Instagram account and all my family members knew, all my friends knew, like, I didn't get any support. No one ever appreciated me. Once in a while, someone used to comment upon my editing skills. That's it. So then I decided, you know what, let me just hide behind. Let me be the invisible one. Because for a very long time, I was running behind that attention. I was doing things I really didn't want to do. So now you have to decide, what do you want from your life? Are you actually happy? Are you literally happy, like getting that attention for a minute or two? Or getting that approval from people that yes, she is pretty, yes, or yes, this person is successful? I have literally seen people going broke just because they wanted to show off that they were rich. I had this like friend, and what she did was she bought she went to like some international country, Canada, to study. And what she did was, to just brag that she was living the best life, she bought like a really big car, like a really expensive car. And just that one investment ruined her. She had to work like double shifts. Her mental health, her physical health, everything went crazy. So sometimes all it takes is one decision to literally destroy your life. Understand that the life that you have, it is literally so precious. Take yourself seriously, because if you don't take yourself seriously, no one will take you seriously. In next 10 years, do you really think anyone would care? Like, how many friends do you have? Imagine you're 35 years old, or maybe you're 40 years old. Would you care how big group circle you have? No one cares. Everyone will have their own families. Everyone will have their own needs to be fulfilled. What will you do with this big group of people who don't even care about you? Okay, people who you call as your close circle, as your friends, ask yourself this question: when, imagine if I need like a help, or if I need like some support, will these people be available for me? Will they even show up? Because in majority of the cases, people won't even show up when you need help. I have been in a situation where I literally gave all my heart, everything to this person, and then when I needed help, when I gave the call, I didn't even get a call back. That person never responded. This concept of ghosting, understand this fact that it is one of the most disrespectful thing a person can do to you, to literally ghost you. And you over here are making excuses. Oh my god, maybe that person is busy, maybe this happened, maybe that happened. Seriously, it's been 1 day, it's been 1 week, it's been 1 month, that person is busy. Who are you kidding? Understand that this is the value that you have, that people are leaving you on scene. They don't want to talk to you, they're giving you hints that they're not interested in you, and you're running after them. Like, literally, please have certain standards. It does not matter if you're a boy or a girl. You need to set boundaries. You need to have certain standards. A person who is accessible to all, no girl needs that. I'm telling you guys, no girl needs that. At times there are some immature people, even like no guy need a girl who is full of her own self, who is accessible to all. For just for fun, they might interact with you, they might be your friend, but in the end, in the long run, you won't be appreciated. Your presence will not be appreciated if you are easily accessible to all. Understand the value that you hold. Understand that when you enter a room, and you carry an energy, and that energy should be evident. If right now people are coming to you and they're able to badmouth you, people are able to approach you and literally say anything to you, there is some issue with you. Why are people coming to you? Yeah, at times what happens is the other person is literally so toxic, that person is narcissistic, or maybe they have not been diagnosed. They have to be diagnosed, and they have some mental issue. That's why maybe they're continuously disrespecting you. But once you understand that this person is like, this person cannot be dealt with, just get out of that room, or of that situation, or of that person's life. Stop wasting your precious energy on things and people which hold no value in your life. Understand how valuable you are. You decide your value right now. And okay, it cannot happen that, you know what, I'm just sitting over here, I'm not working on my health, I'm not working on my looks, I'm not doing anything, and I'm expecting the best to come to me. No. If you want to attract that standard, you have to become of that standard. You cannot be a cheap brat who is not ready to work. If you are a boy, if you are a girl, it does not matter. You have to work. You have to work on yourself. You have to work for your dreams. You have to have some, like, having financial freedom. It is the basic essence. So imagine right now you are literally dependent upon a person for income, for money, and today you found out that that person cheated on you. Where will you go? People are going to come in your life and they're going to be like, oh my god, you have so high standards, no one is going to approach you, no one is going to be with you. It's okay. Learn to be alone. Because till the age I knew how to be happy in my own company, I was being used. I was being used by multiple people, by my friends, by my family members, by so many people, because they knew my weakness. They knew that I needed the emotional support. I needed their presence. So that's how they used me. They drained my energy. And when I needed help, I saw no one. No one was there beside my side. It was just me. It was just me and my thoughts. No one is gonna grab your hand and help you out. Understand this factor of life. Every investment that you make right now, you're thinking, oh my god, should I get that gym membership or should I invest in a good wardrobe? Yeah, do that. Like, literally do that. Take care of your health, take care of your mind, take yourself seriously, because that is the greatest investment you will ever make. People talk about investing in land, people talk about investing in this and that in stocks, but do you understand that all of these things hold no value? They literally have zero value if you don't have health. Right now I can literally and yeah, next thing is like, learn to show up. I can be the smartest person in the whole world, but if I don't show up, if I don't express myself, what is the advantage of my smartness? I can be the most nicest human, I can be so magnetic, but I'm not ready to go out, I'm not ready to show people, then what is the benefit of having this beauty? Maybe I have certain talent, maybe I have certain skill set, but I'm not investing my time and energy into it. Sometimes, you don't understand that a person gets so much into a relationship or friendship that they forget that apart from that friendship or from that circle or from that relationship, you are an individual human as well. Understand the significance that you hold, because till the time you don't take yourself seriously, no person in this world will take you seriously. And mark my words, you will never ever regret investing time on yourself. If you are learning some high value skill, it doesn't matter, learn soft skills. I have seen that there are like so many successful people who don't know how to communicate well. If you are a student, you don't know how to invest in your own self, there are so many YouTube videos available that are like so cheap or like actually free of cost, which will help you to be a better communicator. Because in order to succeed in life, you have to become a leader, the leader of your own life, and for that reason you have to have like good communication skills. Apart from that, learn about your body type, learn about what suits your body, because for a very long time I didn't knew like what kind of food like actually caused bloating. Like, there used to be days like my face used to be swollen and I used to say like, what's happening? I was not I was feeling so lethargic despite having like good diet and taking care of my sleep. Why was that? Because I was not familiar like what actually suits my body. Understand yourself. Listen to me, you need to literally think of your own self as a lifelong project, because if you don't take yourself seriously, no one will. I really hope this video was useful, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.